pretty. If you're in the dark colors, if you're in the grays, this is it for you. Everyone, it's me, Ice. I hope you're all doing well. It's been a minute since I've been on my channel. I'm so sorry. I've been busy with my life outside of YouTube. Today I want to talk about the HUDA Beauty palette, the Pretty Grunge palette. Guys, I love HUDA Beauty and you guys know that. I love all her palettes. So I got this yesterday and it is beautiful. I haven't really thought about using like grays and, you know, dark colors as of late. I don't know, I haven't really thought about dabbling into it. I thought about it for a minute, like, yeah, I never used like any silvers or blacks. It just, I think the neutral look has been in for a while now. When I think of this, I think about like 2000, like Pamela Anderson, Kim Kardashian era. The smoky eye look was taken over. I've done a smoky eye before, but yeah, I just don't think I mastered it. I think Black China had some beautiful looks with the smoky eye. I attempted it and I didn't like it, but I'm liking what I'm seeing, so I just want to try some of the colors here. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see if I could make a look. I think I could. So I already got my face together. You guys know what I use. Say foundation and Huda Beauty concealer. If you have any questions about what I'm using, I could definitely like link it and tell you. I'm gonna go ahead and mess with these beautiful colors. I'm gonna go in with Brave. Let's see here. It's beautiful, that is for sure. I misplaced my Too Faced eyeshadow insurance. I have no clue where it is. So this is what it's, ooh, this is pretty. Let's look at, I'm gonna get a brush to diffuse it a little bit. So yeah, the shade's Brave, by the way, so I'm just gonna diffuse it a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and put Heroin on top of, ooh, actually, yeah, Heroin on my top area right here. Beautiful. I'm going to now, oh my lord, oh, these glitters are so pretty. This is Avant-Garde. I don't know how you say that, but that's what it looks like. I don't know if the light will do it justice. That's beautiful. I don't know, for this look I want something a little bright. This is Haphazard. And ooh, and then there's this Strong AF. I think I'm gonna use Strong AF. Oh, I'm using Strong AF. That is so pretty. Oh, that's beautiful, you guys. Look at that. I'm gonna darken, that is really pretty. I'm gonna add a little more here. I'm gonna go and add some black. We have Renegade. Ooh, that is black. Black. I'm gonna just dab it here. I'm gonna smoke it out. Ahead and concealed with the Huda Beauty concealer just to sharpen the edge, and I went in with Maverick For my inner corner, I'm gonna add a little more there, show you, give it some sparkle. As you can see here, looking beautiful. And I put Brave again in my lower eye. It's really pigmented, so that's a plus. Looking really beautiful. Ooh, I don't know what I'm gonna do after. So I'm gonna do this on this eye and I'll be right back. Cut the edge a little bit with the concealer just to tighten it a little bit. I had to revisit that one, but so far it looks absolutely beautiful, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and use Rebel. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. It is so bright. Look at this. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna put that in the center of my lid. Give it some oomph. Wow, it's beautiful. I picture this more of a night palette. This is like a concert palette. Vegas palette. That's how I see this palette. It's really pretty. Really, really, really beautiful. This is a night out type of palette. This is really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and just soften the edges a little bit. I didn't really shop for the Sephora sale. I feel like I already have enough makeup, to be real with you. And I've been a homebody as of late. I just went ahead and got a couple items. I got this palette, and then I went ahead and got the Luna Night Oil. I got the $55 one. It helps with fine lines, wrinkles, and premature aging and surface redness. My sister used it. She looked amazing. So I was like, oh, I'll try that because I already used her vitamin C oil, and I love Sunday Riley. They could do no wrong. And I don't know where I put it. I went ahead and got a face wash from Youth of the People. It's the green one, Superfood. I've used it before, but I just wanted to keep that just in case, because sometimes like my Herb and Eden one, it takes a while to ship. So I'm like, oh, I need a face wash, but that one's a jumbo one, but I like that wash too, so I just have it just in case. But other than that, guys, I just didn't really buy anything from Sephora. I feel like makeup wise, like I haven't been going out, but I'm like, I should go out. Why am I not out? I'm not sure what I want to put underneath my eye. I don't know. I don't want to leave it like that. It looks pretty dead. I might do something maybe a little sparkly. Maybe Stand Up. I'll try Stand Up. The shade Stand Up. Okay, that's pretty. It's a nice neutral. You see that? A little sparkle. Stand Up is pretty. This is beautiful. I really like it. It's very dark and mysterious. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face and I'll be back. Alright everyone, so this is the final look from the Pretty Grunge palette. Alright you guys, so all in all, beautiful palette. I really think it's beautiful. I love the way it came out. I don't know, this is really pretty. I think this is great for, you know, I guess the holidays are coming up. I think it would be beautiful Christmas parties. This is more of a nighttime palette. That's how I view it. It does remind me of the Natasha Denona palette that came out. They're both beautiful. I mean, this one is beautiful. Huda Beauty's formulation is absolutely stunning. I have always loved her glitter pigments, which I have on my eyes right now. They're just so pretty. I mean, this one is definitely different. This is definitely different from her previous palettes. A lot more, of course, it's a grunge palette. So, all in all, I like it. I like it. If you're a big fan like me of Huda Beauty, I think you should get it to have it a part of your collection. I think I have all her palettes so far, but not like the mini ones. I need to work on that. But I have all her big palettes. So I'm hoping to grab this again for like a next upload, or if I'm going out. If it helps, I'm gonna do some swatches for you. Liberty, Heroin, Avant-Garde, sorry if I got that wrong, I swatched this one earlier. Renegade, this is with my thumb, so sorry y'all. This is the darkest color in the palette. Brave, Rise Up. Ooh, yeah, that's kind of faint. You can't see that. Rise Up. I guess if you have my skin tone, you're not gonna really see it, but that's Rise Up. Stand Up. Strong AF. Guys, mind you, this is the swirly one, so there is bits of dark and light. Nirvana. Haphazard. Beautiful. Fearless. Okay, I'm gonna try to swatch the last on this side. Hope. Beautiful. Hope. Love Anarchy. Again, if you're my skin tone, you're probably not gonna see it, but it's a great transitional shade if you ask me. Next one is Maverick. Beautiful. Belle. I love this one. That is so glittery. Look at that. Next one is Freedom. Last one is Grunge. I'm gonna put it here because it's a very creamy base that you've been seeing people use as a base to put your foundation on. Oh, excuse me, to put your eyeshadow on. So it's very creamy. There you go. Very creamy. So these are the shades. They're beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this video for the Huda Beauty's Pretty Grunge palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really love this palette. It's so easy to use. Everything is so blendable, manageable, and you could do a lot of looks with this. This is very pretty. If you're in the dark colors, if you're in the grays, this is it for you. This is it. This is wonderful. Other than that, you guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.